In the beginning there was the desert, vast, relentless, eternal. And yet, in its heart, something miraculous took root. A tree unlike any other, tall, resilient, life-giving. From the cradle of civilization to the edge of modern science, one fruit has endured the sands of time. It fed prophets. It sustained empires. It sweetened the harshest journeys. And still, it remains as relevant today as it was 6,000 years ago. The date, a jewel of the desert, a miracle of nature, a gift from the palm to the people. Long before cities rose from stone, long before kingdoms carved their names into history, there was the date palm. In the lush valleys between the Tigris and Euphrates, the first farmers saw something extraordinary. A tree that gave shade, a fruit that fed, a resource that healed.
We found date seeds in burial sites dating back to 4000 BCE. They weren't just food, they were ritual, medicine, and even currency in some ancient cultures.
To the Egyptians, dates were symbols of fertility and eternal life. They accompanied pharaohs into the afterlife. In Arabia, they became a cornerstone of the nomadic diet. Rich, portable, enduring.
When we crossed the desert, we carried water and dates. They gave us strength and they never spoiled.
And in Islam, the date took on sacred meaning. The Prophet Muhammad broke his fast with them. In Ramadan, they are more than food. They are tradition, memory, and devotion.
Dates appear more than 20 times in the Quran. They represent mercy, provision, and healing. They are not just nourishment, they are spiritual sustenance.
From oasis to empire, the date palm rooted itself in the identity of civilizations. It is a thread woven through culture, faith, and survival. It's small, it's sweet, but inside every date lies a biological arsenal, nature's concentrated formula for vitality.
Dates are an incredible natural package. Glucose, fructose, fiber, potassium, magnesium, iron, antioxidants, all in one bite-sized fruit.
One serving of dates provides more potassium than a banana, more antioxidants than most berries, and enough fiber to gently aid the digestive system without bloating.
We now know that compounds in dates like flavonoids and phenolic acids reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, which are at the root of chronic diseases.
From assisting at the time of labor, to regulating blood sugar, to supporting good bowel health and digestion, dates are more than a sweet indulgence. They are functional food designed by nature for total well-being. Modern science is just beginning to catch up with what ancient cultures already knew. Dates heal, fuel, and protect. In our next video, we shall be exploring the nutritional contents of date fruit and their benefits in the body. How they assist with better sugar balance, benefit gut health, and assist pregnant women during labor. Stay tuned.